I'm not a Foverlander! What's up, guys? I'm Omar with Overlanding Just Cause. I made it to my first campsite, and here it is. Now it's time to set up. Let's go. Oh, but first, I gotta take care of some business. The morning glory, if you will. So, be back. I guess this is a good time to show you my little poop stand, but you've seen it in some of my other videos. Voila. Now I'm gonna go take care of business. I'll be back. First, I need toilet paper. All right, so the truth is, toilet paper is obviously great to have, but what's even better is baby wipes. You can wash your body with this or clean your body with this, but invaluable. Like, you know, you don't know when the next time you're gonna shower, and to not have an itchy, yeah, it's the ticket right here. All right, I'm gonna hit stop. All right, I'm done. Fresh, clean parts, I guess. All right, so now I'm just gonna set up. I'm gonna deploy the awnings just because I want to use the lights. You know, why not? Probably set up the tent right in this area. Yeah, I'll cook in that area over there. And yeah, it's about 11. It's 11 o'clock, so yeah, still a few hours of daylight. I mean, if you look, it's very gloomy. But we're out here, it's just me and the dogs, and having a good time. All right, so keep watching. I'm gonna set up. And I'm also deploying the awnings just in case it rains again. Mother, that hurt. Man, the front of this got super muddy. That's all right. I don't mind you exploring, I just don't want you going too far, okay? That's why we're out here, to explore. Except for you, Athena. Come on. No dead bodies. Uncovered, please. Trying to have a chill. All right, now, awnings are set up. Could be a little tighter, kind of flimsy, but I don't have my beautiful wife here to help me tighten it up. So what am I gonna do? Oops, wasn't expecting that. I'm not gonna tie him down because there's absolute no wind right now. Oh yeah, but if it does rain, because of the sag, you're gonna get some puddle buildup. But that's when you let one significantly lower and it'll start. But hopefully it's not gonna rain. My super cool new Ultra watch that knows I'm talking to it, that's how badass it is saying there's no rain in the forecast. But that was 4 hours ago, before I lost signal. What you gonna do? All right, so what's next? The tent. Set her up right there. Oh, I passed by it a few times. But in my troubles of trying to get around this huge campsite for some. Tiny for me, apparently. I dented, bent, hey, and tore off my license plate. Yeah, really need to practice backing up. Really, priority, like it needs to happen. So I'm gonna put it right here for now. Table's super easy and cool. Got this from Walmart, 30 bucks. Camp security is always priority, right? So instead of having my back to the trail, I'm gonna have my front to the trail. Write that down. Not gonna lie, I'm dreading putting up this tent by myself. It's not hard, but yeah, just wish I could sleep in the Jeep. You having fun? Come here, kittens. Come here. Let's take a break. Let's take a break. What's that? So this is something that my daughter came up with, which is kind of weird and funny. So there's the ass of the Rottweiler. There is Cadence, right? That's Athena over there. Hey, Allie, fights. Yeah. It's like a code word. I don't know. And no run around for. It's like playing tag. I don't know. It's like Ali fights. It's like tag. You're it. All right, guys. So I have this Amazon EcoFlow. Boom. I bought it off Amazon. Yep. EcoFlow. Notice there I have 99 hours left. Depends on what I use. So right now it's at 90%. I've been using it. I just have my phone plugged in. I ran a couple things, just testing it out. But I am going to blow up the air mattress and we're gonna see how it does. I just recorded a bunch of stuff on me setting up the tent, which I'll show you, but it didn't record. So let's do this. I'm gonna press the AC, plug it in. So right now it's showing me 10 hours of this kind of movement. It's showing that I'm using about 100 watts. Obviously, I'm not gonna need this on for 10 hours. All right, guys, so here is my little campsite. So now I'm gonna start cooking. Dogs hear something. Dogs stray. I call dogs back. Cadence, Athena, come. Dogs come back. Anyway, all right, so here we go. Let's get everything out. I have my Pelican case. That has my Coleman grill. Now this isn't anything special, but it works. I got this off Amazon, but I see it at Walmart every time I go to my Walmart. And yeah, I mean, it just works. It's great. I've got a fire pit here that I may or may not use. It's not cold. I don't need a fire. Kids aren't around, so I'm just like, whatever. So let's set this bad boy up. See, here's the deal. You didn't see this in the video. I stopped earlier, right before I hit the trail, and hit up Wendy's. I'm not really hungry, and I have snacks and chips. I set all this up thinking that I wanted to cook, because I did, but I'm not going to. I'll put it away in case it rains tonight, but I just don't want to cook. This is where my wife would be like, oh, you gotta eat. I'm like, I'm not really hungry. Yeah, you gotta eat. Well, I don't want to. And I am solo, so I'm just gonna have chips. Yeah, that's it, guys. All right, forget cooking. Dogs are having a good time. It is now 3:40, and it's gonna be dark in about probably less than an hour. I'm gonna throw this back in the Pelican case, throw it back in, close some stuff up. I'll leave some stuff out, but I'm chilling, guys. This is what it's all about. So overlanding, I don't know, it's, you know, it's camping out, yeah, and it's going to remote places, but I can't go to remote, right? I've got my family at home. I've got, you know, things to do when I get back. I can't go too remote. So this is it. This is as remote as it gets. George Washington National Forest. I found a little spot. It's beautiful. It's peaceful. I have the dogs. Seeing them out of their element of being in the house and let out into the backyard all day long, and seeing them out here, well, it's like having kids, you know, like your kids are in the house, they go to school, they come home, and they go to school, and they come home, but taking them out, it's a whole nother level. So guys, I don't care what you drive, trailer or no trailer, you don't need it. Have somewhere to sleep, have something to cook with, have some water, and you'll enjoy it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.